We are currently on 171D up here at Swamp Creek near Red Feather. Pretty decent Saturday morning. Now that the sun's come out, you know, relatively. It's about 8:30. The snow has stopped, but it's been snowing pretty good all morning. Done about 20 miles this morning already. So it's really nice to be the first one here. Fresh snow, busting powder. Can't beat that. There were some campers down at the entrance to 171. The northern entrance, I guess you could say. But I didn't see any machines. You know, at the very beginning when I did the initial review and walk around, when I got this RZR, I had some reservations, I guess you could say, about the Bighorn tires. Didn't really care for them on that particular day, but man, they've grown on me big time. I'm not saying that they're the best tires out there, but I don't think they deserve the reputation that they have, at least the bad reputation. Because Bighorns do have their fanboys, but then they also do have their haters. But they've grown on me. I've definitely come around on my opinion of them. You can think of these trails as the backside of Swamp Creek. 171D, which turns into 171C, and then you had the side trail 171B, which I took today, which wasn't too bad, but it's usually fairly deep snow on 171B. It's the one that if you are by yourself, you need to use a little bit of caution. But there's 171B. I used that today. It wasn't too bad. So now here's the start of 171C. That's 970 goes that way. It's a single track for dirt bikes. The 970 ties in with 517 Bald Mountain, which is really nice. So here we are on 171C. First machine down this trail today. I'd say yesterday too. I don't think there's anybody out here. But as for these Bighorns, they just dig into the snow. Fantastic tire for snow. I can see the limitations and drawbacks when it comes to, say, rock crawling or, you know, things of that nature where you have sharp rocks, because the lugs are so spaced so far apart that I can see punctures easily occurring. But besides that, man, they are a fantastic tire. These ruts, man, that's what they get you. Goddamn ruts. They'll get someone up here in the Jeep or a truck, and then someone comes up here in an ATV, so you have two separate tracks. And you gotta choose which rut you want to kind of blast your way through when you're in a RZR. Whether a 60-inch or a 64. Or how about that new 72? Holy crap. XP Turbo S. That's a badass machine. But I'm going to be keeping this one a while. For real this time. But like I said, this is the backside of Swamp Creek. Old trash can. That's been there since about fall. That trash can showed up. But anyway, here's the top of Swamp Creek. Going that way is 7 Mile. There's 171C that we just came in on. That's 171. That's like the main trail. And you could refer to that as the south entrance. And then going that way, you pick up 171A, which is the middle entrance. It's closed during winter. The far entrance, or the north entrance, closest to Red Feather. And then you can tie back into 171D. There's also 171G and stuff like that. Over there on that 171, you can catch up to L, J, N. There's a bunch of trails that way too. So, that's a short little tour of the backside of Swamp Creek up here near Red Feather in Colorado. And this has been Bullet Outdoors in a 2018 RZR XP Turbo. Peace!